Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a software that can grow accounts, post, and comment on Facebook, not the usual manual way like I'm doing right now, but in a completely new, automated way. It helps your posts reach more people, and the right audience. This is the interface of MKT Care. This software helps your posts reach more customers by posting to groups, commenting, and even messaging strangers on Facebook, and all of this can be done with just one click. It saves you a lot of time and advertising cost, so feel free to contact me to try it. Let me introduce the software really quick. Today, I'll show you the account interaction, auto-posting, auto-commenting, and seeding features. First, the account interaction feature. This feature is used to grow a large number of accounts. Right here, I have 1,000 accounts, and the death rate is only 1%. Account farming is actually not that complicated. I already made a video on how to farm 1,000 accounts, but I'll show you again. Normally, I just go to the general interaction section, turn on scrolling newsfeed, watching videos, watching reels, and letting the account auto-add friends. Then just click start. We also have a full farming process for you. This process was built from a lot of trial, error, and money, but when you buy the software, it's completely free. There's also an unlock account feature. So don't worry, you can also change profile info in bulk like avatar, bio, location, or use the change info by UID feature to copy another profile exactly. And that's how you can farm 1,000 accounts with the lowest risk. Next is the auto posting feature. I've already made a video on this too. You can watch it on the channel. Basically, posting or running ads both help you reach customers by showing up on their feed or reels, but ads don't show in groups, so you might miss the right audience. With this software, you can post in the groups you want, post on your own profile, and let Facebook distribute your content naturally. Your content can be varied and targeted to the exact audience you want. This saves you a ton of ad money and reduces the time you need to optimize ads. Because this method is passive, your posts or reels need to look trustworthy, meaning they need engagement like reactions and comments. In this video, I've combined both the commenting feature and the seeding feature, because inside the commenting section, there's already a built-in interaction tool. It's really convenient, right? Next is the commenting feature. Some groups don't allow your posts through, so commenting is another way to reach customers. Before buying anything, people usually read the comments and feedback below the post. If your post has high engagement and ranks at the top of the group, customers will naturally find you. And now the seeding feature. You only need to enter your content and the post ID. It will run by itself, and you don't have to do anything. Seeding helps you build brand trust, push your post to the top of groups, and reach more people. People will wonder why your post gets so much engagement and why it always stays at the top. That's simply how Facebook works. Posts with high engagement are pushed up. And those are the main features of MKT Care. See you guys in the next video.